Tired of manually copying data between your spreadsheets and your automation workflows? Today, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Sheets with N8n, unlocking a powerful way to automate data flow and supercharge your productivity. First, open your N8n instance and create a new workflow. Every workflow needs a starting point, so be sure to include the Start node next. Search for the Google Sheets node in the Nodes panel, then drag and drop it into your workflow. Now, to authenticate, we need to create credentials. Click the Credentials drop-down and select Create New. A new window will appear prompting you to authorize N8n's access to your Google account. Select your Google account and grant N8n the necessary permissions to access Google Sheets. This typically includes reading and writing data to your spreadsheets. Once authenticated, return to the Google Sheets node. Here, you'll need to enter the Spreadsheet ID. Go to the Google Sheet you want to connect and copy the ID from the URL. It's the long string of characters between D and edit. Paste this into the Spreadsheet ID field in N8n. Select the operation you want to perform, such as get all to retrieve all data from a sheet, append to add new rows, or update to modify existing cells. Each operation requires specific parameters, such as the sheet name, range of cells, or data to be written. To demonstrate, let's build a simple workflow to get data from one sheet, transform it, and then update a different sheet. Connect the Google Sheets node to a set node to perform any necessary data transformations after the set node. Add another Google Sheets node configured to update data in a target spreadsheet. Finally, execute your workflow to see the magic happen. You should see data flowing seamlessly between Google Sheets and your N8n automation, and that's it. You've successfully connected Google Sheets with N8n.